Let me quickly show you how I straightened a bent bicycle crank. So basically on this bike I had this crank basically bent inwards, and when I was pedaling it wasn't a very pleasant experience. So for this job I basically got a pipe, so it doesn't have to be this long, so just something basically where you can insert basically the crank inside. So first take the spanner and remove your pedal from the bike, so the crank is actually exposed. So once you remove the pedal, so we can obviously take our pipe and simply put it on this crank here. So as you see, I can simply take my pipe here and put on the crank like this, and then basically you can use quite a lot of leverage to basically pull on the crank on either this side or also this side, depending on how you obviously need to straighten it. Again, so simply use force to straighten it. Also, I suggest maybe to ask another person for help that can actually hold your bike in place so it doesn't move when you're actually pulling on the crank. Again, only remember to try to pull on the top part. Don't actually put it all over, otherwise again you won't be able to straighten it again. So try to pull basically on the top part, either in or out, so depending on what you need. So again, it really took maybe like 20 seconds for me to properly straighten it back normally. Okay, good luck.